Hey everybody, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful tray out of Dollar Tree products. If you want to see how I created this beautiful, inexpensive tray from Dollar Tree products, just keep on watching. So I've already taken my mirrors off of my frames and I'm going to be taking these out to my garage to spray paint. Alright guys, so I have spray painted this with the first coat of spray paint, and what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and hot glue this together so that I have my shape, and then I'm going to go ahead and repaint it. I have folded back all of my little tabs and I am going to be working from my top piece to my bottom, and so now I'm just going to start hot gluing. Guys, for this last piece, I did not bend my little tabs back because I want to replace my glass once I'm all done. So I'm going to go ahead and just glue this down as is, and then we'll continue to spray paint it, and I'll be right back. Decided to skip the second coat of spray paint and just go right into the decorating. You guys, these projects just kind of take on a life of their own once I start them. So guys, I'm going to be now covering this with my little glitter rhinestone stickers here. I bought this 90% off after the season. Alright guys, so now that I have my tray pretty much blinged out, I'm going to go in and just cover up some of these edges with my jot stickers that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so right here I'm just going to be replacing that mirror that I took out earlier. So, and I'm just going to lay it right in there. Looks like I'm just giving you a quick little view. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. Yes, so I hope you have enjoyed this little video. If you have, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.